got very busy, very fast in here. But I got my Cali squeeze. Let's go see what's going on. It looks like they're doing a show. Hazel, come here.
It is a great honor to stand before you today on behalf of the Kingdom of Wakanda.
Hazel.
I am Okoye, General of the Dora Milaje, sent here by the Black Panther on special assignment to personally train all of you recruits to become warrior allies of Wakanda. You, sir. Yes, you. Don't look around, I'm talking to you. Tell me, are you my ally? Yes. I thought so. So, the Dora Milaje will assist me. Before we begin, let us take a moment of silence to honor all of the kings and queens who have left us to join the ancestral plane. Peace be to the ancestors. Now, are you ready to begin your training? In order to become a warrior ally of Wakanda, you must first understand the purpose of the Dora Milaje. Dora Milaje means adored ones. As the defenders of the throne, it is our sole mission to protect the rulers of Wakanda. It is tradition in Wakanda that exceptional women are chosen by the tribe to train as Dora. And it is a great honor to take on this special mission. In fact, tradition and honor are the first two tenets of the Dora Milaje. Do not worry, my friend, there are only 5 tenets. So you should be able to keep up. These are the values that govern everything we do. Tradition, honor, strength, courage, and compassion. This is why we salute Wakanda forever. You do not understand the assignment, I see. I said Wakanda forever.
Wakanda forever!
Much better. In battle, it takes strength and courage to face our enemies. So, recruits, who among you thinks they have the warrior prowess of the Dora Milaje? By a show of hands, who shall we choose to step forth and show their courage? Ah, there are many brave souls indeed. Who among you is also rooted in compassion? You there, with the ears like our king, come forward. Brave recruit, what is your name? And where are you from? Warrior Naveen from the California tribe! Very familiar sounding name there. Tell us, are you strong? You are so brave for stepping forward. What is it that makes you strong? Courage. Very good answer. Were you listening? That is one of the 5 tenets of the Dora Milaje. You are well on your way to becoming a wonderful warrior. And you bring great honor to your tribe. Wakanda forever. Very good. And one One last thing, Warrior Naveen. Happy birthday to you. You may return. Now, for the rest of you, are you strong?
Are you strong?
Don't be shy. Are you strong? Well, you say yes, but where does your strength come from? Or your courage? You see, our culture has been passed down from generation to generation. Through our traditions, we gotta have trained for years with the power of vibranium on our side. What is the part of you that is indestructible? What is your vibranium? Think about it. Very good. You see, strength and courage are like the sun, and they must rise out of us. But unlike the sun that rises out of the ocean, the rising of our strength and courage is not automatic. We Dora must find it each and every day. We chant, Nijarumine, Sanji Nasara, Nijarumine, Sanji Nasara. This means I am warrior and I will overcome. Recruits, if you can learn this battle chant, you may have what it takes to become a warrior alive Wakanda. Everyone, repeat after me. Nijarumine.
Nijarumine.
Very good. Now we have a little more movement this time. Sanji Nasara.
Sanji Nasara.
Well, there is so much rhythm and soul in this atmosphere at sea. Let us put it all together then. With me, let's go. Nijarumine. Sanji Nasara. There were 3 of you doing it. I said all together. Let's go. Nijarumine. Sanji Nasara. Nijarumine. Sanji Nasara. Excellent work, recruits. Now, would you all like to take it one step further? Would you like to learn a Dora Milaje training sequence?
Yeah.
Watch this. 4 simple moves you can do with me. Jab, strike, crouch, block. Let me see you try. All together, let's go. And jab, strike, crouch, block. Now, recruits, did you do your yoga stretches this morning at Papa? Huh? If not, that is okay. This is not a real battle. This is for training purposes. I want you all to stand up nice and tall. And imagine yourself holding a spear made of vibranium. If you would like to step forward, and you did not get the chance before, this is your opportunity to come up to the gray area so that we can all train together as one tribe. Come forward if you wish to show your strength and your courage. Look at these brave warriors here. Excellent. Spread yourselves out. Make sure you have enough room.
No.
Very good. Now, recruits, prepare your spears like this. Take a deep breath. Get into a strong stance and let us begin. Here we go. Jab, strike, crouch, block. Look at how clean that technique is. Again, up, jab, strike, crouch, block. Look at how powerful you are. Again, jab, strike, crouch, block. Excellent work, warriors. Last one now, make it count. Jab, strike, crouch, block. Hey! Now that was enough to send any villain running home to their tribe mother. What brave souls you all are. We've not seen strength and courage like that since we arrived on this continent. I'm impressed with each and every one of you. You are more than mere recruits. You are on the path to becoming warrior allies of Wakanda. You all deserve to be celebrated. You learn the word earlier. Chant with us. Nijarumine. Sanji Nasara. Nijarumine. Sanji Nasara. Hey, Nijarumine. Sanji Nasara. Do this one. Nijarumine. Hey, Sanji Nasara. Nijarumine. Sanji Nasara. Nijarumine. take on the next mission. But we've also seen true honor and compassion. Look around at your fellow allies. See each other and let yourselves be seen. You are all warriors in your own way, and you shall overcome. Continue on this path, allies, and you will leave each place better than you found it. Now we could stay here with you all day and discuss more secrets of the Dora Milaje, but I'm afraid that the Black Panther has been alone for far too long. That usually means trouble for me, so we must be leaving you now. Until next time, warrior allies. Wakanda forever!